This super simple app has just been acquired by MyFitnessPal for an undisclosed amount of money. And the best part about it, two 17-year-old high school students created this. What used to take years of development, hundreds of thousands of dollars, and huge teams to create can now be done in a few days and at a fraction of the cost by a couple of high school students. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I'd recreate this using AI without writing a single line of code. I'll create a platform complete with premium features that can start earning money right away. And the tool we are going to use today to create this app is Base44. It's a really easy to use AI code builder that does great with design and is perfect for beginners. So we'll start by giving Base44 its first prompt. Create a clean, modern calorie tracker mobile app design in a vibrant dark mode theme. Style it minimal yet motivational with subtle gradients, neuromorphic cards, and energetic accent colors. Show a beautiful home dashboard with today's total calories consumed, large circular progress ring, remaining calories, macros breakdown, protein, carbs, fats, as colorful pie chart or bars. And off it gets to work. A couple of minutes later and Base44 has come back with our initial design. And you've got to admit, it's a pretty good looking landing page. See this breakdown of how many calories you have left in a pie circle? Beautiful, vibrant design, clear iconography, and a clean health app look and feel. It's got a quick add feature here as well. Meal tracking is now effortless. Know exactly what you're eating, how many calories it is, making it easier to hit your weight loss goals. Now this is a great start, but we need to build up the functionality. If you look at the quick add feature here, it's asking us to add the calorie information and its breakdown. Cal AI works so well because it made adding that information easy. Just snap a picture and upload it. Customers want simple and easy to use applications. Anything that adds additional effort is going to turn them away. So we need to fix that. Let's give Base44 its next prompt. Update the quick add food feature with a smart search bar that auto completes food options as you type. When you select an item, it instantly shows calories, protein, carbs, and fat breakdowns. Then lets you adjust the weight to auto calculate and add the updated macros and total calories to your daily log. And with that, Base44 gets to work. So now if we click the add feature, I can type in the search bar and it automatically fetches us a list of foods with their breakdowns. Selecting a food item, I can add a weight from these quick add buttons here or input a weight manually. Clicking to add that automatically updates my calories for the day. We just made it 10 times easier for the customer to track their food, but we can make it even easier. Let's get Base44 to add our next feature where you can scan a barcode or take a picture. Let's give Base44 its next prompt. Update the quick add feature with barcode scanning and photo capture. Just like Cal AI, include a big camera button to snap a meal, photo, or scan a barcode. Instantly pull up calories, protein, carbs, and fats. Let users tweak the portion if needed. Also, fix the position of the quick add button so it's in the middle of the bottom navigation and not floating above it. Let's give that another couple of minutes to get to work. Base44 is a great tool. It's super powerful, and I've tried all the AI code builders out there. Lately, Base44 has been coming back with the best designs, super easy to use, intuitive workflow, making it really easy to build solid products. I've left a link in the description if you want to try it out. All right, it looks like Base44 has come back with our next feature. If I click on quick add now, I have two options. I can search here, or I can click on the camera here to scan a barcode or upload a picture. Let's try uploading a picture. AI analyzes your meal, and just like that, we have an easy and intuitive mechanism to be able to track specific meals. Now, I don't want to make this sound easier than it is. Cal AI did so well because they innovated. They took an already successful idea in a huge market and made it even easier. They were the first app that allowed you to just snap a picture and AI calculated the macros and calories for you. And that's why they've had such explosive growth. I'll show you how you can innovate and differentiate this app a little bit later on in this video. But first, let's build out the functionality for this app. The backend functions that are going to power the whole app. So we actually need accurate information. Up till now, we've been using dummy data. We need an API that has all the data we need. So when we search a food item, we get a list of all the available brands, along with accurate information for calories and macros and nutrients. Good news, after some searching, I found a free and easy to use API for this, USDA.gov. Now you'll need to register for an account here. Once you've got that, you'll need an API key. I'm not sure you need to do this, but I tested it out on Postman first, so I had the structure to give the prompt. Let's give Base44 its next prompt. When searching for food in the quick add search feature, I want to use an API. This is the API URL here, which returns a list of foods with their JSON response. Now give it a couple more minutes to work through that new feature and let's see what it comes back with. I can now search a database of millions of different food items with accurate information on calories and macros for a range of different brands. Now that's pretty powerful. It's very useful, but what if we want to make this easier for the user? Let's add the AI camera feature. Update the quick add camera feature so that when I upload an image, it's sent to ChatGPT to get the calories and macro information. And just like that, Base44 has implemented an AI feature for us. When I upload a picture of the omelette I had for lunch, it comes back with accurate information. This is all great, but how do we monetize it? This is where you need to stop and think. If you want this to be more than a hobby project, you need revenue. So how do we fix this? The easiest way to monetize this type of app is with a premium subscription. If you've ever used MyFitnessPal, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Users pay a monthly fee to unlock advanced features like the barcode scanner, meal level calorie goals, and custom dashboards. It's a win-win situation. Free users still get a basic plan and core features, while paying subscribers unlock everything they need to hit their goals faster. So with that said, let's give Base44 another prompt. Add a sign-up flow and add a premium subscription option. Purchasing a subscription should unlock the AI camera feature and barcode scanner. Now, after a couple of minutes, Base44 has come back and we've got this beautiful looking onboarding system where users can sign up and upgrade. You can enter your goals, select your plan tier, and then purchase the subscription. So we're just going to fill this in with dummy data. Now, if we want this to go viral, we need to differentiate the app in some way. CalAI works so well because they simplified the process. Was it inherently better? Maybe, maybe not. It was simpler and easier to use, and if that makes people more consistent, then it's inherently better. However, I'm not sure AI is as accurate as the USDA government databases out there. So how can we differentiate? To simplify this app, we could add a feature where you can voice record so that you can talk to the app and tell it what you ate for the day and it logs all the meals for you. To make it more valuable, we could add an AI nutritionist with accountability check-ins or group features. We could add meal plans based on goals, or my favorite idea, we could combine calorie tracking with workout tracking, eliminating the need for two apps. So now you've got a way to monetize and differentiate this. You need to start thinking about advertising. You could reach out to fitness influencers or run ads targeting people with health goals. You could interact with customers and communities and forums offering advice. Or you could start to build content around your business. There's a million different ways to expand and differentiate this app. And if you can't market the app, you're dead in the water. If you want a complete marketing strategy on how to get your first 50, 100, and even 1,000 paying customers, I created a separate video on exactly how I would do that. When you combine that video with this video, your results are going to be explosive. I'll show you which media channels work best, how I would get my first paying customers, and what's currently working based on data and research I did of thousands of successful apps and businesses. I'll leave a link in the description and at the end of this video, and I will see you in the next one.